guys, this is Vijayta and welcome to my channel. So today I have decided to do an art journal flip through. I'm doing my second art journal flip through. It is not complete. I have not filled it. There is still half left to finish, but I thought since I have a lot to show, I will do it today. And this journal is a local find. I got it from a local stationery shop, and I'm so sorry that I don't know what brand it is because it was local and I bought it 3-4 years ago. But in case anybody wants to start journaling, I have one that I can recommend. This is by Minora. It has 180 GSM paper and it is good. I've started using this one, as you can see. So I mean, if someone wants to buy a good journal, this is a good option for you. So let's quickly start flipping through this art journal. Okay, so this was it. I hope you liked this video and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.